In this simulation, we're going to investigate the Earth magnetic field. Here you can see a picture of the Earth, a small compass, and a piece of paper. The piece of paper is placed with its left-hand edge pointing north like the compass. Let's drag the compass to a point on the paper near its top edge and then release it. Which way does the red end point? Yes, to the north. Now let's select field lines. Lines like this, which show how Earth influences a compass, are called lines of force or lines of flux. Lines of force form a pattern called a magnetic field. This pattern of parallel lines shows the shape of the Earth magnetic field. The parallel lines form what's called a uniform field. Look again at the small picture of the Earth and lines of force. Although the lines look parallel on the paper, if they continue northwards, they would actually converge and form a pattern shown on the Earth diagram. The Earth is like a large magnet with a south pole in the northern hemisphere to which the red north pole of a compass is attracted. At the equator, the lines of force are horizontal, and at the magnetic poles, they are vertical.